Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm here with another hand painted face mask, and this time this is a floral one. This is a baby blue colored mask and I'm trying to paint a monochromatic blue rose on it. First, I've tried to create a shape of the rose with a medium dark blue and then tried to give it some dimensions with a darker blue. Next, I started to paint the petals with white and mixing it with some light blue. This way we are getting all these different shades of blue. After that, drawing some white spots to make it a little more realistic. Now I'm defining the white lines a little bit more. I'm done with the rose and now going for a little bud. Painting this the same way as the flower, giving a shape and then defining with some white paints. Adding some more blue for the darker areas. Now it's time for a nice little leaf. Don't forget to touch up the areas where you need. Just added another rosebud and another leaf here. I think this is going to give this painting a more complete look. I'm almost done. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.